Hello. So here I am with some texture work. Okay, I'll show you some textures, color textures, which easily you can use in any painting or for greeting card. Okay, so here you required some colors, brushes, sponge, toothbrush, whatever easily different material you get, you have to use it. Okay, let's start. Now you will see here already I have done some textures. Okay, here it is done with watercolor. This is crayon plus watercolor. This is also different way, different techniques I used. Really, I think you are getting. Okay, so this only I am going to show you how to do these different textures. Now see, first I will show with, if I will scribble with crayon. Okay, little scribbling with crayon if you do, and then on that if I'll apply color, see what texture you are getting. Like this different color combination, if you do, you will get different textures, right? Color combination, as I am using here dark blue, and same blue if I'll use. Okay, same blue if I'll use, I'll get different. It gives different result. But while using, you have to use watery color. Take care that while using watery colors you use. Okay, so even on light color, blowing technique you can use. See, drop of colors and then with blowing technique you can use this type of texture. That also looks nice. This also looks nice. Okay, I'll show you another color. Suppose I will apply one color. Okay, this is brown color. Are you getting? On the brown color with dark blue, when it is wet, that time only if I'll put dark color, dark blue color, I'll get one different type of texture. Right, like this base you will create first with texture, and then you can make you can write on that, or you can do craft work on that. That's up to you. I'll show you now light to dark. Suppose this is green color, which I'll apply in the box, dark to light. This is dark color. With water if we'll spread, we'll get light. Right, so like this light to dark even you can make. Okay, so like this different color textures you will make. Just now I showed you, like that even you can try different. Okay, see here for sun, I means writing was sun, that's why I took color scheme, hot color scheme. Okay, suitable for the word. Here it is rainy, so I took rainy effect and blue color scheme. Okay, like this different colors you can use. Now here I will show you one color technique. First we will draw a box. draw one box first, and then now with yellow and orange color scheme we will do something. First I'll put yellow color. See, slowly it will become dark with orange. I'll take orange color, mix in the yellow. While mixing even, I want strokes, so according to that I'll apply color. This side I want strokes. Okay, now I want more darker, so I will take red. This is red, which I'll mix in orange. Again same way with line form. While applying, you create lines. It looks nice. Okay, so this is, if you want more darkest, then take same color with more dark tone. 3-4 colors when comes together, it looks very nice. Again same way, in line form you will mix in the red. Okay, so this we got color gradation. Now here, when it is wet, I will do some lines with scale, only in wet portion. See, with scale I am doing this, scratching. Where it is wet, I am getting that texture nicely. So like this you can create one. Okay, I got some texture here in this corner, right? So base is ready. Now on this, if you want, you can write any word or you can draw some pictures. Here I will show you one tree, how to draw with directly with brush. Now for this I am taking black color. Black color combination will look nice. Okay, so I'll start here. From here one branch is coming, which is thick to thin. Again for this thin line you must practice. Thick to thin. Little shading. Okay. You can show one bird sitting on this. Okay, now details we will do for tree. Draw more branches. and leaf. Directly with brush I am doing. So this way you can complete your any design you can do. Okay, so this way our details will complete. You can make more leaves, it will look very nice. Before that I'll add sun here. Now see, you can draw a circle with one top here. Okay, now its outline I am doing with red. Okay, and with orange I'll spread it in middle. Okay, so it will give perfect effect of sun. Shading will come. Sun is done. Okay, like this you will complete your all leaves. That looks very nice. If you want flying bird, you can do with black. Just add one line below. See, this way your design will be completed. Okay, now I'll continue these leaves. Okay, so this way you can take any design and complete it in color, texture, color shading. I can make more lines, more branches. Leafy tree will look very nice. So here greeting card is ready. Okay students, you can take colors, different color scheme, for example blue, light blue to dark blue, or you can take vertically you can mix colors, so you'll get like this, light to dark. It's up to you. Okay, so bye and do this, enjoy it.